The biggest happiness for me would be to see you all walk out of here better than you were and to have the smile of confidence on your faces.
Have you ever been in a situation where your world broke into two? Everything you ever did in the past came back to haunt you. You sit there just wondering what the hell just happened to you. But somehow you had to find the courage to do what you needed to do. Yeah, to do what you needed to do. Do what you needed to do. Have you ever seen the ocean of a trillion tears? Do you know what it's like to go face to face with your fears? Have you had to surrender yourself? 'Cause you had to. But the universe has been watching over me. I say thank you. I say thank you. I say thank you. I say thank you. Thank you. I'm a believer that anything can happen. I'm a believer that everything can change. I'm a believer in second chances. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. But in times like this, there was something looking over my shoulder. But in times like this, there was something real caring. I'm a believer that anything can happen. I'm a believer. That everything can change. I'm a believer in second chances. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. Believer. 'Cause anything can happen. All you gotta do is believe. All you gotta do is believe. Believe. Believer. Believe. Believer.
welcome to day 10. Over to you, Rory. The very, very, very talented Simon Nolan from Shakespeare.
That's what you went through, and I hope it will remain as a part of your journey and be memorable as it has been for us.